Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix this error code while trying to run DSM commands in Windows 10 or Windows 11. To get started, you will need the ISO file of Windows. Simply right click over the ISO file and click on Mount. Once you mount the ISO file, then open PowerShell as administrator. Now go to the video description and copy this first command line from there. Right click over the terminal window and hit enter. From here, note down the Windows version you are using and the associated index number. Once you do that, copy the second command. Open Windows PowerShell as administrator. Right click on the terminal window to paste the command. From here, replace C with the drive letter of your mounted ISO drive and replace 6 with the index number of your associated Windows version and hit enter to execute it. Now this process may take some time, so wait for the same to finish, and this time you won't get any errors further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.